Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this great little gift. It'll take you just a few minutes to make, so let's get started. So now I'm going to take my ribbon. I love this ribbon because it matches the hat so well. And then I'll take my mini Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, lay this down into my mini. And I have this piece that I've already cut and dovetailed. Just going to lay that down in the mini, bring the tails down. Then I'm going to twist this, put it into my mini Bowdabra, fold it back, twist, and fold it back. And I'm just going to do like a butterfly bow where I kind of go in a little bit here, bring this back over, come in, and then I'm going to make my last little loop, and we'll clip that there. And I will grab my mini Bowdabra wand and scrunch everything into my mini and take my Bowdabra bow wire, pull this through my slip knot, put tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, pull it out. I'm going to separate the ends, bring it back. Now, of course, if you can make a bow by yourself, you can do it without the Bowdabra. I just can't do it. I'm just going to tie a knot here. Then I'm going to bring back my gift. And I'm going to just tie this onto the front of my gift. So I'll just bring this around to the back. And again, I'm going to just tie a bow rather than knotting it, so it's easy to take it off the gift. Just tie a little bow there. And then I'm just going to shape out my bow. And you have this great little gift that took just a few minutes to make, and they're getting 4 gifts in one. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.